one thing which I will clearly say is that this is completely undemocratic. Even if you look at the way the Narega program was rolled out, it was initially a program of the government, which was then made into an act in 2005, implemented across about 90 odd districts, then rolled out to the whole country, which means you have a way of learning what are wrongs, what are the loopholes, what are the shortfalls, and then implement it across the country. Here, overnight, PMO decides in consultation with who we don't know, and it is rolled out across the whole country. This is completely usurping the federal structure, even whatever the freedom that the departments have. This is entering into the realm of a dictatorship.
But
So
what
will
was the
you be? Will
necessity
you
for
be?
the government to put your words in the governor's mouth, sir? When you called for the 10 days discussion,
It is not us putting our words in the governor's mouth. It is the government's words which the government has to speak up to. It is not a party manifesto which we are making him read. We are making him read the government's achievements, and this is something which he has to do. It's his duty.
So we hear that you're planning to pass a resolution against the governor. When is that expected to happen? Today or next week?
The cabinet has sat and talked about it, discussed this. We have seen that in Tamil Nadu as well, something similar is being planned over there as well, because of the way the governor is behaving in Tamil Nadu, not allowing any of their bills to be passed, not reading out the governor's speech. So, South Indian states which are at the receiving end of this kind of stepmotherly treatment, have to take one stand against this kind
So
of
the chief minister
new imperialism and dictatorship.